Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. Hi, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of trying to get this onboarding flow to work and be in our project. So, yes, I just ate some breakfast and now setting up the live stream. So give me 1 second. I need to add. Here we go. Okay. Let me finish this. There we go. Okay. Close. Let's switch the screen. This is where we left off last night. Let me turn on the music. So, let's see. Let me close this. I think let's see. Interesting. Okay. This was our onboarding flow from yesterday. Where we last left off is we built this and we just got this to work. So I have to go ahead and continue to build these other things. And yeah, let's see. So I was thinking last night, let's see, whether or not to, what's it called? How am I gonna handle the switching in between? I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. Let's log in. Is this still running? Yeah. I was using this account. And then, oh yeah, I had Clerk open. Okay, so I have this. Let me delete this. Go back to Clerk. Go back to Dashboard. Go to users and delete this user to go through that onboarding flow again. I need to delete this user, delete this one. Go here. We are here. Let's go here. Then we should be prompted with the onboarding flow. There we go. And let's see. I wanted to fix some of this. If you guys have any suggestions, I liked how Sinja put this on the bottom here, so it's, I guess, easier to access and bigger, because right now I don't know if this is too small. Give me 1 second. I'll be back. I have to put on my Invisalign. 1 second. Okay, I am back. Hello. Okay. I am wearing my Next.js shirt, by the way, today. It gets so much lint on it. Oh, I'm right here. Sorry, I had to go use the bathroom quickly. Okay. So we were here. Let's update a couple things. Let's move the continue button at the bottom. Okay, so this is our welcome. We got this. Let's see. Background pink. Okay, so this is the whole screen. This is the whole screen. So not here. Let's check the next one. Okay, I think it's a little bit better. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Now let's do a flex one. No. A height full. Item center. Justify center. There we go. Okay. Now we could have that continue button go on the outside of this. So here, here, here. We got this button. Great topic. I was looking for one on YouTube. Oh, no. Yeah, I couldn't find any. Hopefully after, yeah, I want to figure out how to do this, and I'll just do this on the live stream and then probably make a better video explaining how I went through the process. What's it called? This is justify end. I don't want this. Oh, okay. Here. Let me remove this. Let's see what happens. I want this to be on the bottom. Let me see. Forgot. Or pink, blue, or something. So this. Oh, I think. Is it this one? I have to do a flex one. Stretch it out. There we go. Okay. So that's on the bottom now, and then I have to add some sort of thing to make sure it's a little bit up, and then I'll make the button bigger. I'll make an arrow or something. I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. So I don't think the flex should be here. The flex should be, I'll wrap this one around a div. But that button should be within the form element, I believe. Form element. What I'm trying to get this continue button on the bottom corner right here. How did you learn Tailwind CSS? I'm just stuck, couldn't get out of it. I had to go relearn CSS, and I think with Tailwind, there are a couple that you consistently use. So it's either in terms of container, right? You could use flex column, flex row. If you want to use a grid, when you would use that for. Honestly, I think it just took time, just using it, looking it up, looking how to do certain things. Like right now, see, I'm trying to figure out, I want to move this on the bottom. I know flex one will stretch the rest of the thing. I could do this as an absolute, actually, and then figure out, make it relative to this, actually. Let's see, let's try that. Because this button has to be within the form, I believe. Form field. Let's make this an absolute. That's probably not the answer, though. An absolute, and the relative should be here, I think. Interesting. And then let's see, absolute bottom. 0. There we go. Okay. Then right 0. So instead of 0, let's do like 10, bottom 10. Something like that. Oh, so I don't think right should be 10, just bottom. Okay. No, right should be 0. I take that back. Oops. Okay. Yay. Okay. And then, yeah, I don't know if I really answered your question. Honestly, it's just trial and error, and it's more of getting used to, if I do this, okay, that happens. Also, I used, in order to relearn CSS, I used this thing called, what's it called? It's called Scrimba. It's an awesome platform. Not sponsored. I just used it before and had a good experience with it, and they have this free version. I think I paid 1 month for the what's it called, the pricing. Oh, they increased it. It used to be cheaper. It was like $15 or like $10. Now they made it more expensive. Okay. No, but they had this course on UI design or like responsivity, and they were using like learn CSS. But yeah, I would say first start with the fundamentals, and then you understand the concepts from there. And then Tailwind is basically that. It's just understanding the syntax, and then you get used to it. Okay, so let me get rid of that. Let me make this button bigger. Button, wait, size large. Let's see how big that one. I think that's big enough. So it'll always be absolute. I don't know if that's the right approach. Let me see. What do they do? Let me see if I could see the. Oh, I have to probably. Hey Assad, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you? So I have to delete this and try it again, because I want to see. Well, let me see if they're first using what kind of code. So they're using Tailwind, so that gives us a good indicator until you create a new one. Oh, I need to delete the account. Yep. So they are using, and then also you could check if you can see what other websites are doing, and there's a great website Ray shared the other day. It's called Tailscan. If you want to learn Tailscan or see the CSS for a specific browser, if you want to check this out, you click on a specific area. Because right now what I do is I have to I go within the page inspect, so I don't have to, because I think this one was the pricing. It starts at $1.99 or $15 a month. But okay, so here, this is what I'm talking about. This button. How is this button placed? I'm assuming it's a block. It's fixed. And this is okay. They have this absolute the sign-in thing. You can't see it. I don't know if that's intentional. So let's see. They have the form at the top. Inset thing, absolute. I don't need that. I need this. What is the thing for this? Margin top, section. They probably have a wrapper or something. But see, I don't think this is right. This part should not be a part of the form. I personally don't think. Because it's not pertaining to the form. This is the form element. So that should be outside of the form, in my opinion. I don't know if that's the right thing, whatever. Okay, we see this, we see this. This one is where? This is here. Okay. So it can be fixed, but look, now if I do this, there. Okay, so they have the same issue. It's a known issue. Okay. So that's fine. I just wanted to know what they did. Okay. I'll just stick with that screen. And I'll have an arrow. Maybe I'll have it a little bit higher. And then how is their text? Okay. Continue your first name. So yeah, maybe your name. Instead of the label, I'll just remove the label and then have it within the placeholder. Let's remove the form label. Okay. What's your name? Oh yeah. Okay, so I wanted to fix that. So now for ours, we could inspect it. We have this, and then this is centered. Oh, but you know what the issue is gonna be? So I might want to do it their way actually, because this is gonna change like thing. We want it to always be in the same place. Hello, good morning. Any useful VS Code extensions? Your thoughts for web dev? Good morning. I think the continue button below the input would look better. You think so? For the guy who asked for VS extensions code, spell checker live. Oh, look at all those ones. That's odd. Coming in clutch. Okay. Okay, I'll take your input if you think it looks better on the bottom. Oh, Asu, hey, good morning, good morning. Yes, it is morning now. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, what do I think? There's one that I came across, I think I mentioned it yesterday. It's called Super Maven. This is a nice, it's like another, what's it called? Pair programmer. Oh, it's 9:26 for you. Oh my god. Yeah, yesterday it was funny. People joined the stream. I streamed late last night, which was some people's morning. They're like, "Oh, early stream?" I'm like, "No, late stream." Time zones are a funny thing. Yeah, you should go check out that one. That one's good. I don't really use that many other ones. I don't have that many besides like the Tailwind, Prettier extension, and some other stuff. So let's do something what they did. Okay, so they kept it at the top, because if I go back, I think they have that same structure. It's still here. Main, this section. Oh, I think it's a little bit different. Margin top, the same thing. Max width. If we go like this. Is onboarding screen complete? No, we're still working on it today. Yesterday was more of I was doing some wireframing on what screens I need to build. Today we're gonna continue. I was getting late yesterday. We're gonna continue building that today and hopefully get some progress. I think I just need to set up the initial structure. Let me see. Or should I not worry about that right now? Let me undo this. Well, I'll keep that back in. Let me do this. Undo. I'll figure out the styling later. Just make sure the functionality is there first. Okay. Undo. Oh no, I think I would like that. Alright, I'll keep that. I think everything else. Oh wait, okay, fine. I'll undo. Oh, okay, that's where the last left off. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Right. Okay, we were here. Let me get rid of the... Let me go back here. Get rid of this. Go back here. Let's delete this. Okay. Let's make that continue button bigger. Because we can make this... Like, I could create a wrapper because this part is basically the same. That's fine. Okay. So you're like 10 hours behind. That's a nice graph. Oh, you think so? Oh, you're talking about my the wireframe? Thank you. I mean, it's probably gonna change. I think this is just what it is for now. Alright, then let's do a lucid. Let's try to look for arrow right. I don't know if I use this one or what did they do? That's small version. That one. Okay, let's do that one. This one. Arrow right. Okay, it's just arrow right. Import arrow right. Arrow right. Okay, yeah. That looks good. Continue button. Yep. Whenever I want the draft an idea, I open whiteboard. It's never looks good. Well, if you checked out yesterday's stream, it took a while. It took a couple iterations, so it's never gonna come out right the first time. So I think if you just expect that, you set your expectations low, and then you'll always be pleased with yourself. Flex row, item center, space X2. Okay. I'm refreshing the screen. There we go. Okay. I think it's a little bit big, huh? Let me do size 20. Is it 20? I think it's usually default 24. Okay, maybe I think I need to do 4. Okay, it doesn't look like that's working. Oh, that's probably because of this. Okay. I'm gonna take this, put that here, remove this, just leave that. Okay, so I think 4 is too much now, so let's go back to 2. How do you feel about, because I could do this, you do group, then you do, if this is a group hover, then it translates X. So 1, let's see. And then make it a little bit smoother. Duration 200. Like that. What do you think about that? Also, you load spinner while loading and hide the arrow. Yeah, we'll get to that. Add width, height to increase and decrease the width of the arrow. So when you use a library, you just need to use size. It's the same thing. I think this is easier than going inside class name and doing width and height and stuff like that, and it's consistent. All right, well, okay, we'll stick with this. So let's say we'll get you set up. What's your name? Right, then we'll go to the next thing. Okay, so this is the last page we left off on. So let's go and build that project type, and then we're gonna probably have to build other things. Okay. So we could use, I think, the ideas from here to apply here. Let me see. Right, and then just replace it with project type. I don't need the handle submit at the moment because this is not going to be our last screen. We're going to do that at the last screen. Type, project type. Select a type. Where is the error? Okay. Oh, right. Project type. Project type. Alright. Keep the transition. It's nice. Okay. I will. Just for you. Okay, let's see. What is your project? We'll help you get you set up. So let's remove this. What's your name? So we don't need that one. It's actually... Let me close my... Okay. what question should I add for users to know which one to select? Let's see if it's gonna work. All right. Based on the question, create a new. Okay, we'll come back to the question part. We gotta update that, but that's fine. So we're not gonna. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. So the input is not gonna be that. It's gonna be a. What kind of form input is this? It's a. What's it called? It's a selector. It's either one or the other. Okay, we'll see that in a second. Let me comment this out for now. We're gonna do a div. We're gonna do a span. We are going to do a create a new project. Create new project, or we are going to do, we're just gonna add the text. I have a project already. Then the next thing we want to do is style this, so let's do that, and then we'll create a thing for this. No, flex row space at, oh, justify between. I want to migrate my project. Migrate existing project. So it's not really, yeah, we were trying to figure out what's the best wording for this, because migrating, you're not really migrating, it's more like add an existing. It's because the process was, I don't know, yeah, I'm open to rewording this. I think I was a little bit tricky, you're still figuring it out. Because right now in the platform, when you come on, we are assuming that you are adding a new you're always adding a new project, but some people already have existing projects. So to accommodate for that, we added this new what's it called, this input as well, because before we just had this input, your idea and the target user, but then it would go ahead and generate names for this project. But what if you already have a name, or you're just adding a project and you just want to manage it, right? So it's like manage a new project or have an already existing project and stuff like that. Yeah, I think migrating is I might not be applicable for this, but I appreciate the suggestion. Yeah, I'm open. So now you know like what I'm trying to do. I don't know what would be a better word for a wording for this. Oh, okay, I'm getting a call. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see. Alright, we gotta do this. We're gonna do class name flex, and then we're gonna do a rounded border neutral. Okay, I don't need this border neutral. Are YouTube on full time? Yes, I am at the moment doing this as I'm applying for jobs, which is not going that great right now. But hey, I'm just doing something to keep myself sane and not forget how to code and trying to build this project, because right now we have a lot of users. We're getting people to subscribe, so we're getting a little bit of income there. But my end goal, I think my dream would be to, yes, be like a full-time indie hacker, a content creator, creating content on building apps in real time. Not coding for a while is the worst that someone can do. Yeah, so I'm like, I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna build and just see what happens. Just build in public, and I've seen other people do it, so it's worked for them. Okay, so we have this. I don't really like the, you did justify between, let me see. I think maybe, alright, so we could do that, and then with full, and then with full. I was also doing contracting for a little bit, but I haven't gotten a client, or I haven't really looked into finding another person that needed something to get worked on. Text center. There we go. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate. Hey, Sylvia. Great to use Project Planner. Awesome. Okay. So we got those, and then we can add. I like adding the icons to make it better. So let's see, something new. What would be good for a new project? An icon for a new project. Like, I was in England for 6 months, and when I came, I had a final Java exam, and I forgot how to write Hello World program, and I had 2 days to study everything. Please keep coding on your own. It's good for you guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Yeah, that's the first language I learned, Java. I don't know. I don't remember how to do it now, because I haven't built anything in Java in a while. Because things are different. I've been just coding in JavaScript and TypeScript for the last 1.5 years, and Python. Right? Okay, let's see. New file folder. Probably folder, huh? Folder plus. I don't know, let's see. Folder plus, okay. And then let's see for, I don't remember how to do C++. I'm stuck inside. Yeah, right? Yeah, same with C++. Add, migrate, pull, create new project, merge. I'm trying to think, what would be a good icon for that? What's the issue with this? Okay, maybe this could be in the center. Text center, item center. This could be text neutral 500, maybe semi-bold, font semi-bold. Maybe 600? I don't know. Same thing for this. We could do stroke neutral 600. I don't think, yeah. Okay, we'll get rid of this. Maybe padding X4, but padding Y6? And I probably have to add a description of like what is creating a new project. I don't know. I have a project already. What would that icon look like if I have a project already? Person. You can use React icon at very limit. Really? I know, but what I like, because no, you're right. Let's see. Okay, let's see. React icons. Because I like all the icons being the same, but yeah, you're right. It's like from the same thing. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything here either. Merge. What if I... Yeah, something like this. I don't know. Ugh. What would be a good icon for that? Erratics, yeah. Well, what would be a good icon to represent? Alright, let's see. A good icon to represent each. Let's see what they say. Create new project, or and then when you hover over it, yeah, not like that, right? So, and then you want to be able to handle hover, border, what does it say? And you want it sort of like of a duration. The same thing with this one, but then when you select it, if it's active, then something like that, and then you want this to be cursor pointer. Something like that. I like that, but then let's see what kind of icons we should use. Plus sign, folder, portfolio, checklists. Okay. So maybe just a plus. But let's see, just a folder. Maybe already existing folder. Folder open to represent an open folder. Folder closed. Let's try it. Folder open. I think that's good for now. Yeah. Should I? Can you give a short description of each one so I can put it underneath, like for create a new project, like you have an idea but haven't come up with a name or worked on it yet, whereas you have a project you already started working on it and have a name and idea of the direction. Thank you, Assad. Appreciate it. keep it even shorter. I'm gonna go get a jacket. Give me 1 second. Live streaming, I have to get the Alright, I'm back. I got a jacket. Ready to start shaping it into a project here. Already working on a project. Bring it over here. Let's manage it together. Yeah, I like this. I think this is good. Okay, let's try it. Maybe. This could be H3 or something, and that could be a paragraph. What is the thingy at the apostrophe thingy? Oh, let's see. Ah, there we go. Do you do a full stack tutorial like a popular trend in the industry? Like what? What do you recommend? I think this one can go here. But let me remove the semi-bold. Maybe this could be medium. Okay. Let's see. Alright, that should be bigger, and then this text should be smaller. Like e-commerce is something along the lines. Okay, for the people that create e-commerce projects, do you actually use them? Is my question. Are they actually functional? What's the point of them? Yes, I guess for practicing and to get an idea of what an e-com, but it's not really what I guess it's more complex than what the project would give you. I don't know. I tried building an e-commerce thingy, and then I stopped halfway because I'm like, why am I doing this? Because if a user, right, put something in a cart, you check out the cart, and right, you integrate Stripe or something, but you don't want it to really send it to you because it's like, it's fake. The data is fake. So I guess I mean, I think if you're building it, yeah, you know it's fake. You're just building it so you could understand it, I guess. But I don't know. I think it's more applicable to like build projects that solve your teaching people how to think of problems that they're facing and how to build a project around that, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, if you want like e-commerce, I guess there's so many tutorials out there already on e-commerce stuff. Unless you think none of them are good, then that's another issue. Oh yeah, okay. So let me get rid of this. And then I think the topics you choose are rare. Most people like to watch one of those. It's about cool retro 90s or early 2000 games. What about a cool retro? That's cool. See, that's like unique, right? And I guess when you use it, you know, it's a game, you could play a game. But that's like more, I guess, game development, which I think you would want to use more. So like game, it's like a different, I think it's a little bit different mindset, which is fine. It's like, if that sounds cool, right? But then I don't think my skills, I don't know. I mean, you know the game, the best solutions you can. I'm trying to build something just now. It's nostalgic. That's cool. So that's like more creative, right? You get to design it, style it, think about the user, think about all those stuff. I think that's more. Same thing with the e-commerce, I guess, but I don't know. It's not as interesting to me at the moment. If you could convince me otherwise, I'm open to it. Okay, so something like this. Let's see. If I go back here, we're here. I say, what's their name? I type in my name. We go to the next one. We go here. You select one. What kind of project do you have? All right, let's see. Hey Charlie, it's going well. How are you? Let's see. What should I replace? What is your name with? Keep it short. Okay. So after we're done with this, depending on which one the user selects, oh yeah, first things first, I need to create a, so this is a duplicate. These two cards, these are like cards, right? These are duplicate cards. I want to create a card that I could just input the data and then it could, let's see. Starting fresh or continuing? More options. It can be longer. What you're doing is so class. Thank you. Tell us about your project stage. Let's get started. Are you creating something new or do you have it on? Yeah, this is good. What's the current status? Let's add your first project. Let's see. Okay, I think we'll stick with that question first. I think this is fine. Okay. So now I'm gonna do this. Give it to ChatGPT. Can you create a component for me? This is a duplicate. Can make more efficient. Okay. Project option. Right. Okay. So let's do that. I don't have to have a, let's see. This is form, right? Function. Oh, dang, they did it for me. Okay. Let's put this in here. I think that is the same. Wow. It beat ChatGPT. Okay. And then let's see if I get rid of this. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Let's delete this. Project option. Ha! Dang, Super Maven. Okay. I see you. It's the same thing. Okay, okay. Dang, so it beat ChatGPT. Nice, okay. So I have this form field to comment it out. Let's see. Have this form field commented out. How do I select? How do I make this work if I select one? It updates the form field with the value of the selected section, the string value, the string. Like, I know what to do, I just don't want to do it, you know? What are you? Oh, okay. So we're here, we're trying to get this to work. It doesn't work right now. If we select one, it should show that it's active. To update the form, I have this form field. I'm probably going to have to put this within the form field. And then this would be like a, wouldn't be normal. It would be like a type of, okay, form control. We'll put it in the form control. Probably have to pass in that field. Let's see. Import set value from use form. Okay. No, but can't I do something like this and then on click update? Cause I'm gonna, I don't know what's the right way. The project type is a string. You gotta pass in that string. Cause we could do like a drop down select thingy majingy, but okay. Yeah, we could do that. Let's see. So I might not need form control. I could do that on select. Let's see. Let's see, can I do this? Let's see if it'll do anything. Can you guys hear my music, by the way, or is that? Dang, let me see. Waiting. You can indeed use the form field to wrap the options. Okay. What time is it? It's 12. Okay. Wrap your options, but you would typically use the form fields to handle the data, right? Form. Okay, so I should validate true. Interesting. Okay. Rather than do the form field, so I guess input hidden. So I guess replace the form field with this. No, form field with this. So then when we press on submit, let's try a alerts json.stringify.values. Yeah, let's see if we could see the selected one. Okay, so if you click on this, press continue, you see we selected create a new project. Click on this, see we select this one. Now I want to show that this is active. How do I make the border a different color if it was selected in the component to show to the user they selected that one? Oh, okay, we just have to pass it if it's active. Is active, and that's going to be a boolean within here. Boolean. Okay. Or not. Selected. Oh, okay, so we have to do that. Oh. So is selected can boolean. Let's stop it right there. Or is selected is the boolean. Okay, I got you. Okay. Is selected is the, I don't want to do it here. I want to select an option. Okay. Let's see which one is chosen. I see. So you want to option. Let me see. I wanted to pass it. I wanted to do something like this. Oh, actually, let me pause it. So if it's active, so this is what I want. I want to pass that in. If it's active, then let's import cn. See, this is a lot of time just for one section. We're gonna have to do it probably for other sections, but it's going to be worth it. Let's see. Then we do a condition. If it's active, then we want to do right, something like that. So now if I go inside here, these options, right? Let's say is active, is, oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, but that's not going to be right. Is it values? Oh yeah, because it's going to be form dot project type, form dot data, form. How do I get the form data? This is not right. I used the form data. I forgot how to get that. Oh, I think I said it already. Form set value, get value, form dot get values dot project type. that, maybe? Nah, too good to be true. Okay, because it doesn't. So there's a minor issue in the code, whereas values is not defined in the context we're trying to. Let's see. Can I do this? Can I use do this form dot get values? It's not working though. Let's see. You can use from get values to get all the values from the thing, because including those not here's how to watch. Yeah, I need to do the watch thingy. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Should validate true. So I guess replace this with this. Will this work? I guess we'll see. Hey you guys, look at this. Okay. We could select either. Okay, so if I select this and then I do the alert, so I press continue. There we go. I like this. Okay, nice. New project. New projects. I'm trying to think of the value. Should I pass in an easier value is the question. Okay. Project type. So this is the project option. On click, project type. That would be the input hidden, form register, project type. How does it know that the input is this? Okay. Great, because it's using the title as the thing, but how does it know to do that? I guess it's the set value to project type string handle option. Oh, I guess it's this. Oh, it's this. Okay, here you go. It's here. New project, existing project. This is how you spell. This is how you spell existing, right? I don't know how to spell. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. So click on this. You have that. Oh wait, this one. Project, existing project. Right. Okay. So then what we have to do is go through the flow. Okay. So here's an issue. All the data that we are saving. Submit. Huh. Because you have to pass the data. The data has to be stored somewhere. Okay, because that name. Okay, right now, because I have the name. Okay, and then it's changing. So add code here to handle form submission. Needs to put the value. Right. Okay, so we need to do it to do here as well. To do here. Oh yeah, okay, so it's already there. Then we're gonna change the path name depending on the value that's selected. For here, right, yeah, okay. Add your code here to handle form submission. Need to put the values, project type into the, oh no, okay, so the project type is just gonna, I don't think that's a, I'm trying to think, what kind of projects are they doing? That's That's probably add new project, add existing project. That might be somewhere. No, I don't know yet. TBD. Okay, so that's fine. For now, we were just gonna create the screens and do the submission, and then after each submission that you're doing, then you are storing that data somewhere, so then you could keep track of it. So as you're going, it's updating the information. Okay. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do scene. The next scene is going to be sets query string path name query string. Oh no, it's gonna be values dot project type. Yeah. Now what's the issue with this? There you go. Okay. So now, okay, and then when we click here, we click. Oh. Is it not working anymore? What did I do? Okay, refresh. Click on this. No, interesting. Okay. Let me do this. Where did let's do this. Okay, what did I touch? I didn't touch anything. Okay. Project type. Let's go back here. Let's type in whatever. Interesting. When I click on it, handle option click. This is no longer, it seems like that's not doing anything. It is. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Is active. So I have, oh yeah, since I updated that, I have to update this other thing. Okay. Right. Okay. This has to be this. And then this has to be existing project. Okay. There we go. Okay, that should work now. There we go. Okay. If I click that one, click this one, still there, click this one. Okay, that's fine. Interesting. So let's put this back. We know that I have to do that. Come back to that later. Okay. Now, okay, so we did the first scene. We did here, what's her name? I add it, press this, then it submits it, then it goes here. I select one, let's say created. Let's see, which one do we want to do first? Do we want to do create a new project or do existing project? Add project name. Because this screen is going to be, no, it's going to be different. We're going to have a lot of onboarding screens. Okay. Existing new project, existing project. New project, existing project. So I think, should I add another route? Maybe just to keep them all in the same place. So okay, this is what I'm thinking about. So within here, within onboarding, have a new project route. I don't know if this is the right thing. And have existing, because each one is gonna have its own thing. Existing project. Does that make sense? Then when we click on it, then it's gonna change, it's gonna route to those. That one. Same project, then we want to do it with the name. I'm not sure yet. Okay, it's fine. We'll come back to that. I'm trying to, maybe, I don't know. Project type, maybe those would be here. And then if I select either, then I have to figure that out. Okay. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back again. I need to go use the bathroom. Okay, so I went to go use the bathroom and I had an idea. I think I want to change this rather than do the border thingy. Maybe do a better hover thing. So, oh yeah, and that needs to be responsive. Okay, so let's fix that first. So MD row, MD, and then it's gonna actually be flex column, space Y. And then you have to do a space X of 0. Or maybe you don't have to, okay. And maybe it should be at SM. So I don't have to do this? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, okay. Whoa, wait, what is this? What happened? Oh yeah, that's what I need to do. Okay. SM space, this is the one. Space Y0. Okay, there we go. So now it's a little bit responsive. Okay. And then I said I didn't want the... So the beauty, now I could only do this. Let's do background, neutral, 100. Border is 0. Let's get rid of border. Border, I don't want border, but I want this to be hover this. And then if it's active, it's that. So I want something like this. Oh yeah, maybe we do want the border. Okay, keep the border. Something like this. What do you guys think of that? Did you like... I guess. Okay. We'll stick with that for now. And then... let's see. So I select one, and then we want to go to the next screen. So we update the queries to do that. So then I go here, new project, doesn't have a screen. Oh yeah, I needed to fix that too. Here, get rid of this. So if it's not that, then we want this. So it's if scene. If scene is I need to check a project name. How do I get the return? Okay, whatever, it's fine for now. If scene is equal to new project, return else if scene is equal to existing project. I guess new one for new project. For existing project. I have to probably improve this. I'm just doing this for now. So, new projects, existing projects. Oh, project type. Oh, okay. So I have to import new projects. Let's import existing project. Okay. Then, alright, right. So, existing project. If I selected the other one, it'll be new project. Alright. Then what we want to do is update this to be similar to what's your project's name. So for existing project, we're going to do that. Let's do similar to what we did here. Existing projects, let me just put that there. Take this, replace that with this, and delete this, and then what's the issue? Oh, where did I do it? Shoot. Why? Alright. Project name. Let's see. Do that. What is your project's name? We could do this, and then we'll do that, your, oh, is that really? Your project name. Okay. Let's see. So that's for that one. If I click this one, it'll say, what's your project's name? Your project name. Your project's name. Okay, so if we go back and we selected this one, then it will take us here, and then we want it to say, describe your project and its target users. Okay, so then we're gonna go this, new project, go this here, new project, do that. Describe your project and its target users. and then give it an example. Yep, okay. Description. Target user. And probably like a little comment about please be as descriptive as possible. Let me see. What do we do here? Okay. Results more what? I don't know if useful is the right word, but we'll leave it for now. Okay, let's do that. Form field, so we're gonna have description. Target user, an app to help track your reading progress. Someone, a person who's interested in reading. Yeah, that's good. Alright. This one I would need the form label again. So let's look for that. I would need the form label. Just put it on top of the form control. Like that. Like that, and then let's see, let's do that. Then this one should say description. Then this one would say target users, and then let's see what that looks like. Oh, don't like that. Okay, so this should be flex column. Same thing with this one. Flex column. Alright, let's see what that does. Okay, and then item start. Item start. And I don't want that much space between it, so let me get rid of the... Why is there so much of a gap? Alright. Space 2. Okay, and then this should be maybe 2 or something. Oh, because there's a margin top for each. Let me get rid of this. Why is there margin top? Then I might want to increase this to, so it's already at 4. So let's increase it to 6. Something like that. Please be as descriptive as possible. Text large. Which one is this one? Okay. something like this. So if you select, okay, so this is what we have so far. So I feel like why is the space here? Oh, it's because, let's see. Is there any margin tops anywhere? Okay. What is this? Is this space the same as this? I don't think so. What is this? Here we go. That's the reason. Okay. So let's delete, or I don't know. Should I include the... Yeah, whatever. I'll include it. Okay. Let's do the form label here as well then. Form label, and then I'll give an example. Joe Schmo. Okay. Shmo. Oh, I was supposed to do it the opposite way. Okay. Do this here, your name here, and then you're gonna do flex column space y 1 2 your project. I think it should be the same. Your name, Joe Schmo. I feel like there should be more space between them, no? 6? Okay. Is this description input field enough since you ask super? Yeah, you're right. I think I'm gonna change it with the text area or something. So let's change it with the text area. Probably. Let's see. What is your name? Let's get started. What are you? Creating something new. Let's go back to the description area. Good point, Assad. Great call out. Okay. I think for the description at least, right? Import text fields. Text area. Yep, okay. Something like that. Describe your project and its target user. Be as descriptive as possible. Okay. Right, if I do this, whatever, okay. Then I click on this. An option to skip the second part to choose a new project or add a current project since there are users who already have accounts but did not onboard. Text area field, text field area, you might want to stop the resize. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Let's see. So if I, yeah, okay, let's do that. Forgot what was the thing. Components UI, text area, min height. How do I stop this? Min height none? Is that a thing? Or do I want it to be, what is the min height of the, oh, because I have to have a min height and a max height. Min height, I guess, would be, what is it, 40px? Max height, maybe the 80? Would it do like that? Would it be like that? 40, maybe 36? Why is it still showing this? This one. Yeah, it's not weird. Okay. Resize is equal to false. Let me check. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, if you could check that, please, would appreciate it. Let me see. What is this? Yeah, because if I do this min height size, then or do you know what? I think maybe no, that's not gonna be it. Okay. For now, I'll just leave it like this as you're looking for that. Okay. If I do this, the text area doesn't increase. Okay. And then what did you say? An option. Resize none. Okay, let me try that. Thank you. Is it that? It doesn't seem like it's that. To the class name. Oh, to which class name? This class name? No, I don't think so. No, it worked. Oh, it did? Wait, how do you know that it worked? Oh, because it doesn't have that resizing thingy? Oh, okay, because you want it to be... Yeah, you can no longer end the icon. Okay, gotcha. Okay. But this size is... okay, you weren't talking about this size. You were just talking about the resizing thing. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Let me get rid of that resize here then. And then I'll just include it there. Yeah, okay, cool. Let me see, get rid of this. Resize none, okay. And then which one am I? Yeah, I'm gonna use that just as just a thing. Okay. I think I'm gonna stick with I'm gonna change the example because I want it to be consistent. For a new project to help track recipes. And what was this? I think the place. Oh yeah, okay, I fixed it. Okay, I updated that. Let's go back here. If I have an existing project, what's your project's name? Project name. Oh yeah, let me do that label there. Yeah, it can sometimes cause problems on the phone. Oh, okay. Then maybe I need to do that because we have that. But then it's like, what if I need it to go to a max height though? Or like adjust according to the size of the text? Okay, so we want to add a resize only hides the icon and prevents the user from manually. Gotcha. Okay. Then I would probably have to add more code if I wanted to do the automatic resizing or something, right? Okay. Let's see. Close. Existing project, right? New project. Oh yeah, okay, let's add this. Form label. Do this. Description, no. Your project name would be the recipe tracker. Right, and then I changed this to 6, so let's see what the other ones. 6, project type 6, because I want it to be the same as welcome. So if we go back, you see this is 6, okay, so here, interesting, this is not also that, I forgot why, because it's still a part of the form. So we want the project type is, where's the button? Here. Project 6. Interesting. Why did that one also move? We have this in addition to this. Weird. Wait, what? Why is that affecting that? Then what is this? Am I looking at the right thing? Project type, yeah. Why is this name? What is this doing? It seems like this is not doing anything. That's doing that one. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Let's... okay. Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Weird. Anyways, okay, let's go back. I'm thinking of getting the name and passing it here, maybe. I don't know. Okay. I'm not saying it's bad, but if you don't expect the user to manually resize it, just do a resize then. Okay. Yeah, I don't expect them to resize it. I think maybe they're gonna probably do like 1 or 2 lines, and if later on we could add it if we want. Let's get started. Are you creating something new, or do you have an ongoing? Get started. Okay, so I think that let's get started. Let's go back here. Let's take that same setup. I think I want this actually. This would then, if I get rid of that, does that? If I get rid of that, does that? No. When you get the name, maybe say something. Right, yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. You're a few steps ahead of me. Okay. Yeah, I think, I don't know. Let's try this. Space Y for space Y. That 4 2. No. Okay. Yeah. Then I think it's fine. Let's go back to what we had it before. I think that was fine. I think I was just overthinking it. Okay. Let's try that. Oh, not X, Y. Now I just generally enjoy watching the stream. Burnt out from coding myself, so now watching someone else do it. Oh yeah. I feel you on the burnout. Okay. Let's see. We have this. Let's do what you said. The project type. Let's do something like that here. Let's do this. Let's get rid of this. Let's do hi. Hi, blank, 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 blank. Let's get started. I'll help you guys set up. No, let's get rid of that. Hi, let's get started. Are you creating something new? Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's the thing. Space YX. I don't know why this is also getting things. So if I remove this, that goes like that, which is right. So I guess I'll just do something margin top here or something. Oh, maybe because of that. Maybe top 6. So then that also has that. Okay. Plus, I'm here to learn. I've started learning web dev. I'm very new. Hey, you know a lot, so you taught me a lot of things that I've been doing this for a little bit longer. But hey, everybody starts somewhere. It's easy to get burnt out. Okay, so since I'm not storing the name yet anywhere, I have no way to call it. I want to call it from the database rather than from passing it. Or maybe, I don't know, what should we do? Oh, yeah, it's fine for now. Gotta do that later. Okay. So we click on this. We say, I have a new project from scratch, building new. Okay. Describe your project and its target user. Okay. And then let's see, what else did we say? Oh yeah, select. Okay, this is gonna be the features. Select features, and that's gonna be a whole nother thing. Okay. I think for this one we're gonna do something similar to the project type. So I'm gonna go bring that back. Replace this with select features. And then right, okay. Okay, so we type that, okay. We type that. Then once we got that, we gotta update that. Yes, so then we're gonna change it to the features, select features. And then we're gonna do the same here. So we're gonna say if select features, then we're gonna import select features, and then we're gonna show that. We don't need this for now, I guess. So yeah, what was it? We'll be using that, right? So that select features, right? Okay. Then we could go here. Let's close this. I'll come back to that. Let's go here. Now we are going to update a couple things. I'm gonna say select feature. Feature card. Select feature options. Select. What's it called? Project option. Select feature. Then we are going to pass this within here. Let's do it one at a time. We're going to redesign it. It's not going to look like this. Since I have never tried it, can we both switch and return a JSX in it rather than lots of if? Yeah, we can, of course. That's like just my first initial instinct, but let's do that. We could do switch scene. There we go. There we go. Thank you. Awesome. It did it for me. Okay. Saved a lot of lines of code. Cool. Okay. Let's do that. Thank you, Assad. Okay. Let's see. Let's improve this. I wanted the, oh yeah, so let's look at the design that I had. I had this. So we're gonna have the icon, name and the description. So let's have the icon. Yeah, I love it, even though it might take my job one day. The name, select feature props. I'll do that here. Okay. What is the issue? Oh yeah, name, description. Okay, and this should be switched with name, description. Okay, that's fine. Then we are going to do a couple things. Okay, we're gonna wrap this in a div, and then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna do flex row item center. Yeah, and then we're going to do we're going to remove the item center text center. Then we're going to make this icon bigger. Size 28. Something like that. It can even be bigger than that. Let's say 36. And then we're gonna have a space in between. And then we are going to, I think small might be, I think, let's get rid of that. That might be a little too big. Trying to think what would be better. Okay, we'll do 6. Maybe I could wrap, okay, this is what I can do. 6, and then I don't want any space. I want the text to be large. Yeah. And then at the end of it, I want there to be like span, where do I want to div? Span height 8, width 8, background black for now, rounded full. That's too big, but that's okay, it's fine. Then we are going to do row justify between. Yeah. So then let's do a 4, a little bit smaller. Oh, item center. So maybe not background, maybe like a border, and then a border 2. Oh, it's just border 2. Maybe a little bit bigger. 6. Okay. How did they do it? I think I took a screenshot. What was it? They had it like that. Okay. So I think it was a little bit smaller. Yeah, let me make this smaller actually. Maybe 30? And let me, do you know what I could do here? Wrap this in a div. Give this some padding. I give this background, let's say, let's do rounded, and then let's do padding of 2. Let's do neutral 50. No, so that's fine, I guess, for now. Let's get rid of this then. I think the 2 though, I don't know. Maybe, okay. Yeah, I could get rid of this then. And then just do a padding X a little bit more. Make it, is 4 fine? Pasta, honestly, yeah, maybe I should do that. But wait, before I even do that though, let me see, there was, did I take a screenshot? Ah, no I didn't. Dang it, okay, it's fine. That AI is gonna replace us, yeah. That one, honestly. I think, yeah, it still has a way to go though. It still needs some improvements. Come on, Assad, don't be too pessimistic. Like, we gotta use it to our advantage. Okay, so right now we are, what do we have? We are using, oh, okay, do you know what I could do? I have it inside my constants here. So for, let me see, oh, not that one, this one, here. We ask if they want to use the finances, so we got to find finances. Oh yeah, let me do it in the order. Finances, I think roadmap should be first. Map, so let's import map. Nah, I love AI, I'm just kidding. Okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, import finances, circle, $sign, okay. Import, circle, $. But it does take so much time. Try to see like what to build. Import, book, text. Feedback. Yeah, feedback imports message, circle, heart. Import message, circle, heart. And then what else? I think that's it. Events. Maybe event. Oh yeah, line chart. Okay. So we got these. Then here we gotta import that or do that, so we gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then the first one we are going to do is road map. Second one we said was roadmap was first, then it was finances. Hey, what's up, Jacomso? How are you? Congrats on the new channel. So are you still gonna make videos on the coding gimmick, or is it just, I believe that it enables us to be more productive. It writes the code, we just have to do the hard part of thinking, developing, and just a tool to enable us to code faster. 100%. Assad Anabos. Oh, is that your last name? Quote, yeah. That should be a tweet or something. Feedback. Oh yeah. Let's see. Right here. The last one was events, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Description. Oh, I think I have them for each. What was the roadmap again? Oh, it was just map. Finances was the circle $sign. Changelog was the book text. Feedback was the message heart. Events was the line chart. Did I do this right? There we go. Okay, and then we got to. Wait, why is this? This is supposed to be column, not row. Why is this doing a column? Oh, that's why. Okay. Just get rid of all of this. And we should get, there we go. Nice. Okay. I want this to be the same place though, so I gotta improve that. Oh, if I click on one, oh shoot, I don't want all of them to be active. Oh, do you know why? Are they all active because of that? Yeah. Okay. I gotta improve that as active. You can have multiple, also it's no longer project type. You're gonna have an array of features. It's an array of, it's in a list array. Right? Oh yeah, let me update that description. I think I have a let's see. Where is the empty state? Oh, okay, I need to fix that. This should be space x2. Or not. Max width. Alright, let me actually take a screenshot and then ask. What am I working on? I'm working on adding an onboarding flow to ProjectPlannerAI to help with that. To help with the user. I think. Oh shoot, where is that going? That's getting hidden. Oh wait, gotta fix that. Yeah. So right now we are towards the last steps that I have on the wireframe that I have. You see this, the circle at the end is getting squished. How do I fix that? I think I need a max height or something, max width, but so I'm gonna double check. When is open source SaaS? For what do we need the Project Planner API key? About to have dinner. When it's open source SaaS starter kit, for what do we need the Project Planner AI key? Oh wait, what do you mean? Can you ask that question again? Are you talking about when you go to the plan section, you go to templates? Are you talking about this starter kit? The starter kit, because in this starter kit, the starter kit has the API. So here, let's say for our event section, I haven't integrated it yet, but let's say for which one? For feedback, let's say if you have a platform, so let's say I was trying to add it to Tech Stack Finder, I need to come back so I could do that. you have a feedback section. You want to integrate the API. So this is within the starter kit. Are you talking about that? So wait, let me open the starter kit so I can show you an example. So give me 1 second. So with this starter kit, so I think I went over it in another stream, but I could quickly go over it right now. So if you go to here, we go here, we clone the repo. When you clone the repo, add all the environmental variables, it looks something like this, but you'll see it in a second. You don't need any API key. We already have the API calls already. It's the, so this, let me see, where is this? Why is this not working right now? Oh shoot, change log. Maybe it's taking a second. There we go. Okay, so this pop-up modal, if you go inside that section in the code, so right here in the components, no, is it components? It's the landing, it's the layout header. Where is this header? Oh, components. There we go, here, components header, feedback. It's this, within the header, we're importing that feedback button right here. We don't have, to answer your question, we don't have an API key for ProjectPlannerAI. We just have the endpoints that you're gonna hit within your project. So if you go inside feedback button, which is this button right here, and you see this modal pop up, we have this, for me it wasn't clear, that makes sense. Yeah, so we don't have you don't need to set up an extra API key. The keys that you do need to set up are the environmental variables that are within the project. So within here, you just have to go and add them. So you don't need to use Project Planner, but you can use some features. Yes, so the template is a starter kit, and you could remove the endpoints if you don't want to use that feature. But if you do want to use the feature, then it's already set up for you. So this feedback system, we have the endpoint already within here, so you can see within the code. If you press submit, we already the integration guide that we have in the platform. So here, rather than you going within the integration and doing it, you already have a starter project that already has that in for you, that you could update and do whatever you want with it. So if you were to do this and then press that submit button and have the correct, let me see, where is the, let me go back, let me go here, feedback, integration guide. You need the project is this the, which one? Feedback. Project ID. And this is, yeah, you set up the, so you don't need an API key, but the only thing you do need if you want to use the platform with our platform is set up get the Project Planner ID. Yeah, you need to set that, you need to get that, and that's right here, just in the browser, right here. Okay, cool. Yeah, let me know if you have any more questions. Okay, anyway, we're gonna get back to give me 1 second. I think I had, oh no, you're good. You're good. It's no problem. We're gonna be here for a while, so. Oh, wait. I'm trying to see. Give me 1 second. No, it's always asking me to install. Okay. Close, close, close. We're here. Oh, yeah. Okay, I have that. I think I should do a little bit of the shadow effect. Okay. Right, we're here. Okay. Let me close this. Let's do, and I think the text might be a little bit too big. Or maybe when you select it, I don't know. Let's see what they did. Okay. Okay, and then min width, break all, min width 0, max width. Wait, now it goes outside. Now it goes outside the border. Some of that scale effect too, right? I don't know, sometimes like I think too much effect is like animations are annoying, but I think subtle ones are okay. I have to have a min width, I think. Wait, max width. Fit, I can do that, right? Or let's see. If I did 200px. Right. Oh, but I want it. Oh, wait, I'm doing it in the wrong area. Am I doing it in the wrong area? No. Oh, no, I don't want it to truncate. What? I don't think that's... No. Alright, let's go back to what I had before, because I think that was fine. I just needed to do... I think this should be a min width or max or alright, let's look at this. Background, pink 100. That's the background of that. So this needs to be a width, but we already did that. Margin left. Maybe flex shrink 0 on the circle. Button margin left. Yeah, I tried the button margin left. Let's try the shrink 0 on the... There we go. Thank you. Okay. Awesome. Okay, thank you. Okay. Right. Cool. Thank you guys. Okay. What would I do without you? Cool. Okay. Can I get rid of the medium? Let me see. Might be better. Okay. And then get rid of the large, just to make it the same size. Maybe do this a little bit smaller as well. Okay. It's a little bit smaller, okay. So I want my input form to be an array of strings. And then each value is going to represent this, and that's what we're going to pass. I could either do that, or which one do you think is better? Should I do an array of strings, or should I create a bunch of booleans? Is roadmap enabled? Is thing enabled? What is a better way to do this? Alright, so I don't want to say let's get started. What did I have before? What features will you be using? Oh, I think, oh, it's right here. Last step. You're on the last step. Just for now, temporarily, just want to. And then we want to do this. So if I go back here, type in whatever. If I select this, I type in your project name. Not your project name, just project name. Okay, so then when I do that, what was the next thing I wanted to add? Describe this one. And that one, we already have that here. But that one is within there. And I wanted to do something like this. New project. Maybe I could call it project information. That I could import it and just keep that because I wanted to. Okay, maybe we could do that. Project info. And maybe be form. If selected finances, right? Use a map. But then what would my validation form be? Would it be a map? Or validation for the thing? My schema validation. Form. Okay, so I could pass in the handle submit to that. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so then if I let's do array of strings is much cleaner and easier to maintain, I guess, right? I don't know which one is. It's either that or an array or a dictionary of Boolean values. So a dictionary would be, is thing enabled, is this enabled? I don't know which one is better. Guess that's where your data structure and algorithms comes in. Okay, so we're back here. Let's refresh. Oh yeah, okay, so then now in the existing project we could do the same thing. Oh no, so it would be the, so we get the project name. Yeah, it might be easier to let's see. This one is used across them. This one is used, I don't know. Data structures was the only programming class I did not get an A and at A minus. Oh. Let's see. Project info. Spam. Okay. Oh, whatever. Okay. Get rid of this. Is this thing? Project info. I guess existing project name. Project info. Ugh. Alright. Whatever. We'll fix this. This is the info one. This is the name one. And that name one's gonna be different than the other name one. Okay. Let's do one at a time. Let's focus on one because now I'm trying to do all of them. One. Okay, so which one have we done so far? Excuse me. Okay. Oh. Okay, wait, let me go back here. Okay. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, it's almost 2.5 hours. I have a couple more things I need to do. Should I end it today there and then work on it and then get back to you on where I got so far tomorrow? This might be like a 3-day thing. I think I might because I want to take a little break. Add that section and figure out how I want to structure it. Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna end it. I really wanna. Okay, no, let's do this. Let's do this. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. Where were we? We were here. We were at the existing. Let's first fix whatever issue is giving us right now. This one. Okay, let's see. Or actually, let me go back. Okay, before I even do that, actually, let me. This one and this one. That's, I think, the idea. Let's delete this for now. It's fine. Alright, let's go back. Ugh, okay. Let's do one of them at a time. Right, okay. So we're here. Let's type here. Then the next thing we want to do is we're here. Gotta figure out how to get the name, but it's fine. I create new project. Create new project. We're here. Now we're in this section. Describe your project. Okay, so we go here. New project. We are here. Info form. I have to pass in a handle request to this. So let me see. Project form. This one. Handle request. Oh, maybe. Wait. No, I don't think so. I think I could just do this. Move that here. I have to do use state here. Use client. This one, get rid of this. Okay. Project form. And then we'll do that for now. Continue. Okay. Then we'll go do the features. We gotta do that. Okay. Let's update this. Someone is getting tired. Stretch a bit. Back pain's all the worst. Yeah, I feel like I'm hunching over. I can't. Okay. I don't know how people do this for so long. Okay. Birthday stream. Oh, today is Milky's birthday? April 25th. Okay. Let's see. I want to. What do I need to update? I need to update in my form schema and my forms so the user can select multiple options. They need to select at least one. I'm not sure what is the best way. Should I have an array of strings that has the selected value, like events and feedback? Or should I create a dictionary of things like this? Is events enabled true? Is feedback enabled false? False. ... Let's see. The requirement that users can select multiple features and at least one must be selected. Using an array of strings to track the selected features would be a good approach. This way, using to validate the array is not empty, ensuring at least one feature is selected. Okay. I guess that we're doing that approach. How do I just remove it from the array? Why is it doing like that? Why would I do that? Ow. That error is still there. Or maybe none of them. Or maybe none of them. Alright, well, let's see. Let me see. What is this? On click. Oh. Okay, I gotta fix this. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, but I don't want. Hey. Ah. I forgot change log, I think. Yep. Okay, look what we got, guys. Let me actually remove this. I don't think I want that. Maybe actually, no, let me bring back. I'll make a border. Where are you? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, I think I might end the stream today, but yeah, I got this part working. Oh, shoot, or not. Yeah, I had a family member right now that's on the phone with me. They need help changing trying to access their, here we go, okay, password or something. So I'm the go-to tech person. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. See you tomorrow. We're making progress on this onboarding screen. Hopefully I could get it ready by the end of today. And then maybe, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I know, honestly, go-to tech support. That is me. Anyway, thank you guys for joining the stream today. Thank you, Assad, for being here the whole time. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day, guys. And yeah,